For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a glass business can be a rewarding venture, whether you want to manufacture glass products, provide glass installation services, or create custom glass art. Leveraging free AI tools can streamline your startup process, enhance decision-making, and reduce costs, making it easier to launch and grow your glass business successfully. This step-by-step guide walks you through the process, integrating free AI tools where appropriate, and offering example prompt text to use with AI assistants like ChatGPT for specific tasks. Step 1. Define your glass business idea and niche. Before you dive into operations, clarify what kind of glass business you want to start. Are you focusing on residential or commercial glass installation, manufacturing custom glassware, or creating decorative glass art? Understanding your niche will help target your efforts effectively. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas and explore market opportunities. Example prompt. Help me brainstorm glass business ideas focused on residential window installation and custom decorative glass products. List pros and cons of each idea. Step 2. Conduct market research. Thorough market research helps you understand your target customers, competitors, and demand trends. Use AI-powered research tools like Google Trends to track interest in glass products and services. You can also ask ChatGPT for competitive analysis or customer profiling. Example prompt. Generate a market analysis report for a custom glass installation business targeting homeowners in your city/state. Include competitor overview and customer preferences. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your goals, strategies, financial projections, and operational structure. ChatGPT can help draft a professional business plan by providing a structured template tailored to your glass business. Example prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a startup glass installation company specializing in eco-friendly windows, including marketing strategies, financial forecasts, and operational plans. Step 4. Establish legal and financial foundations. Register your business name. Choose the legal structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc., and get necessary permits or licenses. Use AI legal assistance, such as Do Not Pay, to guide you through paperwork and compliance requirements for your locality. For accounting setup, free tools like Wave Accounting or QuickBooks Self-Employed can be helpful. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Explain the steps and legal requirements to register a small glass business in your location. What permits and insurance should I consider? Step 5. Source materials and equipment. Identify suppliers for glass sheets, frames, adhesives, and installation tools. Use AI-enhanced supplier search platforms or simply leverage ChatGPT to draft inquiry emails or supplier comparison lists. Example prompt. Help me write an email inquiry to glass suppliers asking about pricing, minimum orders, and delivery schedules for tempered glass sheets. Step 6. Design your product line or service offerings. If your business involves creating glass products, use AI design tools like Canva or free 3D modeling software such as SketchUp to create product mock-ups or design samples. For marketing visuals, Canva's AI-powered templates can speed up the process. Example prompt. Generate ideas for unique decorative glass designs that appeal to modern homeowners. Suggest color palettes and styles. Step 7. Build an online presence and marketing strategy. A website and social media presence are essential to attract customers. Use free AI website builders like Wix ADI, which uses AI to help create a professional website quickly. For marketing, ChatGPT can generate content calendars, social media posts, and email campaigns. Example prompt. Create a 30-day social media content plan for a glass business targeting interior designers and homeowners. Include post ideas and captions. Step 8. Set up sales channels and customer support. Decide how you will sell your products or services. Online, in person, or through partnerships with construction companies. AI chatbots like Tidio or Mobile Monkey, with free tiers, can help automate customer inquiries and appointment scheduling on your website. Example prompt: write a chatbot script to answer common questions about glass installation services, pricing, and scheduling. Step 9. Prepare financial projections and budgeting. Use free AI financial tools or Excel templates enhanced by AI suggestions, like Microsoft Excel's AI features, to project startup costs, monthly expenses, and expected revenues. ChatGPT can also help you create realistic budgets and forecast cash flow. Example prompt: help me create a financial projection for a new glass installation business with estimated startup costs, monthly fixed and variable expenses, and revenue forecast for the first year. Step 10. Launch and gather customer feedback. Once you're operational, collect customer feedback using free survey tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey. AI sentiment analysis tools, such as MonkeyLearn's free tier, can analyze customer reviews to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Example prompt: draft a customer feedback survey for clients who purchased custom glass tables, asking about satisfaction, quality, and suggestions for improvement. Starting a glass business with the assistance of free AI tools allows you to efficiently manage many complex tasks without heavy upfront costs. From ideation to launch and marketing, AI can guide your decision-making, create professional content, automate routine communications, and analyze data for better insights. By following these steps and utilizing AI tools thoughtfully, you will lay a strong foundation for a successful glass business. In conclusion, the integration of free AI technologies into your startup journey offers a practical, cost-effective way to compete and innovate in the glass industry. Taking advantage of AI for planning, marketing, design, and customer engagement not only saves time, but also improves the quality of your business processes. With careful planning, strategic use of AI, and dedication to quality, your glass business can thrive in today's dynamic market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.